Hello, good morning. Today is Wednesday. My friends, people around the globe, followers, will be having our Mungo Visible Festival together with the Porpoise parents who are now working, no? Continuing their tasks in cleaning, uh, watering, and planting vegetable in the garden in Viso Elementary School. We have here 1 kilo mungo beans, no? For cooking. And we have here squash. No? Of course, we have here onions and garlic as spices for cooking. We have here gono, no? Fried fish for mixing in cooking mungo vegetables, and of course the cooking oil.
Bisag mamatay ning dahon na ni dali kani sa ko ano mo. Dili ka gel. Dili ka. Nama sa di of drama sa mga guys. Ole na kini mo bunga. Ako ay dala sa lakad sa bahay. Oh, kanang ko ba makatrabaho di man?
The mungos is now being cooked to make it tender. And these are the squash being prepared, cut by the Porpoise member parents, and also the leafy vegetables, the malunggay. Okay, the mungo vegetable is done cooking and ready to serve for lunch time. So the parents are now excited to take their lunch with our mungo Porpoise Mungo Festival, Vegetable Festival. Prayer before eating the mungo vegetable for the lunch for the Porpoise parents who are working for the school garden in Viso Elementary School. Very yummy mungo vegetable.
Salamat. Alindanao. Ang dito niyan ko kan.
Okay, more mungo. Oh, see? Special mungo. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. For the Porpoise parents. We are doing this every week, no? During Wednesday.